Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we just had a ton of spoilers drop for Boxycharm. So I am so excited to get into this. We finally have some base box spoilers. I can't wait to get into these because there's a bunch of new products that haven't even been released yet that will be in our box. So if you're excited to find out what those are, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Alrighty, you guys, I am so excited. I can barely even contain it. Honestly, July is going to be outstanding. This is going to be the month that redeems all months. Really quickly, I did want to ask you guys a question. If you could answer this down below. I would like to know how many of you still have not received your June box. So let me know down below if you are still waiting on a box from Boxycharm from June. So I am, but I purchased mine on the 16th. So I'm not too surprised that it hasn't came yet, but I have heard from a lot of you guys that you still have not received your boxes that you purchased on the 1st. So please let me know down below if you've received all of your June boxes by now. All right, let's jump into these. So we have our 3 choice items and we'll just run through those really quickly. We have choice number 1, which is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, valued at $49.95 for 30 milliliters. And that one I've heard great things about, so good product there. Then for spoiler number 2, we have the Babe Lash Essentials Serum, valued at $59 for 2 milliliters. I've heard some mixed reviews on this product. So some of you have told me that you've used it before and that you have to be very careful about getting it in your eye because it does sting and hurt, so be very careful with that one. Spoiler number 3 is the 111 Skin NAC-Y2 Pollution Defense Booster, valued at $135 for 20 milliliters. And I absolutely love this one, and it's very interesting to me because it is to help fight against blue light damage on your skin from being in front of your phone screen, your computer screen, your TV. I didn't know that was a thing. I didn't know that the light from your devices could affect your skin. So that's a very interesting product. And then we're going to get into the newer spoilers, and a lot of these are either brand new releases, haven't even been released yet, or very high-end makeup companies. So you guys, this month is going to be so amazing. Let's just jump into it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so number 4 is the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow, valued at $29. This thing is just absolutely stunning. It looks so beautiful. So I'm assuming it's just going to be one little eyeshadow pot, but it's from Hourglass, so who could be mad at it, right? And then we have spoiler number 5, which is the Creme Shop Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter, valued at $20. I've never seen a highlighter come in a cushion before, and I've never heard of the Creme Shop either. So let me know down below if you've heard of this company and if you've ever used a cushion highlighter, and how did you like it? Does it perform well? I'm very curious. And then we have spoiler number 6, which is a question mark. I'm not 100% sure if it will be in the base box, but I am making a very educated guess that this will be in the base box. And if so, hello. Oh my gosh. It is the Marc Jacobs Earthquake Hydra Full Retexturing Gel Cream Moisturizer, valued at $59 for 50 milliliters. Marc Jacobs in the base box? Oh my gosh. Could you imagine? That is amazing. And then we have spoiler number 7. This is a very interesting product. So this is the Neogen Pore Tight Peeling Mousse, valued at $28 for 80 milliliters. I'll insert some pictures over here of the product. In my opinion, it looks really gross. So if that's really coming out of our skin, I don't know how I feel about that at all. So, if you guys have used this product before, please let me know down below. Did it work for you? Did you see a difference? I don't know how much I like that product. And then for the new spoilers that were just dropped today, I couldn't find any prices on these because I don't believe they've been launched yet. I cannot find them on their websites at all or anything. So everyone will be getting at least one palette in your July base box. The first palette is the Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise. So of course, if you guys know me, I absolutely love bronzers and contour shades and all of that stuff. So that one looks very beautiful. The second palette is the Ace Beauté Blushed in Paradise. So a blush cheek palette. So that one's also very pretty. And then the best spoiler out of all of them, in my opinion, because if you guys have been here for a while, if you guys know me, then you know how much I absolutely love the Pure Festival palette. I have 3 of them, okay? So no matter what, I will always have a backup. I love this palette so much. Absolutely most amazing palette, hands down. You can go neutral, you can go adventurous. There's the pressed glitters in there that look absolutely stunning. I love everything about this palette. And this palette did come in a Boxycharm. My very first Boxycharm that I ever purchased, actually. And I fell in love with this palette, and I have 3 of them now. But the third palette is the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. 2.0? It's not even on their website yet, so it hasn't even been dropped yet. You can't purchase it yet, but oh my gosh. I absolutely love this palette. It's so amazing. Okay. So moving on to spoiler number 9. And I'm not sure if it's coming in the base box or not, but it might be coming in the base box. I think it might. And if it is, this base box is looking pretty freaking outstanding in my opinion. Okay, so spoiler number 9 is a Hank and Henry matte lipstick, and it's not released. There will be one shade that comes in the box that I believe if you do get this product, everybody will get the same shade. I'm not sure if everyone will get this in their box, but everyone who does will get the same shade. And it's just absolutely stunning, okay? How is it matte? And then look at that glitter. And I don't know how he does it. I don't know. So, yeah, those are the base box spoilers. And, wow, okay. Wow, this box has blown me away. Oh, by the way, also, the theme for July is going to be Box Full of Sunshine. That's just lovely. Okay, and then I know a lot of you guys have missed choice dates and stuff like that in the past. So I want to make sure that you guys know for the future, your choice dates for early access to August Boxycharm Base opens Monday, July 13th. And your premium choice opens on July 16th. So I just want to make sure that you guys know those dates. Okay, and then just really quickly, I would like to recap on our July premium box, just to give you guys a quick refresher. So for our choice items, we have choice number 1, the Kenya Beauty Blush and Shine Kit, valued at $42. Spoiler number 2 is the Kenya Beauty Set and Define Kit, valued at $42. And then spoiler number 3 is the Brow Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Face Kit, valued at $45. I absolutely love that Brow Bar palette. It is stunning, absolutely beautiful. And I think it's quite funny that in the base box, almost everyone will get at least a blush palette, a contour palette, or an eyeshadow palette. And same with over in premium. There's a blush palette, a contour bronze palette, and a eyeshadow palette. So I thought that was kind of funny, the similarities between those two. And then I believe I might have misspoken in my last spoiler video, so I want to make it very clear in this one. Spoiler number 4 for premium, every single person who gets the premium box will get this palette. Everyone. So for your choice item, if you chose the Brow Bar by Rima, you'll get that eyeshadow palette, or, not or. See, this is where I mess up, and everybody's like, it's not or, it's everyone. So you could get that Brow Bar palette, and everyone will be getting the Morphe brushes in collab with Manny MUA Glam Face palette valued at $20. So everyone will be getting a Manny palette. Thank God. I love Manny. Love him, love him, love him. He is fantastic. Absolutely amazing person. And then spoiler number 5 is the Lord Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion valued at $60 for 100 milliliters. And you can get that one or the fragrance-free one. And I did want to speak on this for a moment because when I posted my last video, a lot of people commented and said they would be very angry if they got this product because they work, they get UA'd, stuff like that. This product does not have anything in it to make a UA dirty. It's not going to alter your mind in any way, shape, or form. CBD is a very, very awesome ingredient. It is very hydrating. There's so many different uses for CBD. So many. I really encourage you to do some research on CBD if you haven't already. And it is from the same plant, but completely different properties. They're not the same thing. THC and CBD are completely different. And then we have spoiler number 7, which is the Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying 10% Glycolic Acid and Pore Control Complex valued at $30 for 125 milliliters. That's a mouthful. And I remember I didn't like this product so much because on their website, they don't have an ingredient list. And to me, that's kind of a red flag. So be cautious. And finally, we have spoiler number 8, which is the Biro Bitter Green Essence Toner valued at $95 for 150 milliliters. So those are all the spoilers for July that we know of right now. And so far, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Okay, I know a lot of people haven't been very happy with Boxycharm lately, but come on, July box, right? Alrighty, you guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!